Everybody, what's up? Welcome to this tutorial. Today I will show you how to fix a sound problem on your phone, guys. So the solution is very easy. Come first, open your settings of your device, click next at the apps option and search for phone, guys, and click. Scroll right now this list, click on storage option, click clear cache, and right now back, click on force stop and click OK. Go to Play Store or App Store. Here update your phone, guys, and restart your device right now, and that's it. So don't forget to like and subscribe, and bye.